On the off chance that you're searching for Jasmy coin cost expectations, figure for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and essentially need to know where the costs of Jasmy coin will go from now on, or so they thought. We will dissect the especially past costs of Jasmy coin and will commonly figure out what specialists really are talking about its future cost activity. Kindly by and large remember that you really want to take this forecast and each really other expectation with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, foreseeing something so amazing certainly is totally incomprehensible, which certainly is genuinely critical. Be that as it may, we will generally attempt our in every practical sense best. We should begin, which is genuinely huge, Jasmy coin past value examination. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Jasmy coin in every practical sense is $0. JASMY is presently position number 134 in the whole crypto environment. The dissemination supply of Jasmy coin explicitly is 47,569,999,999 with a market cap of $234,013,086 or so they thought. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Jasmy coin's cost has shown a decent increment of 2.64% as of now, which is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The JASMY for the most part is down to nearly 10.08% in the by and large most recent 7 days in an unpretentious manner. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for recent days. The coin could sort of have major areas of strength for genuinely in any case. We don't in every practical sense feel that it would a beneficial resource in momentary amazingly. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of JASMY diminished by 37.341%, wiping out an incredible normal amount of $0 its ongoing worth. This unexpected down implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be a decent sort of purchase and open door for in every way that really matters, fast venture, which by and large is genuinely critical. The 90 days cost change really is around 23.20% and the cost flowed from a genuinely least typical cost of $0 kind of greatest sort of normal cost of $0 the beyond 90 days. In most recent 4 months Jasmy coin fundamentally has shown a developing pattern. Hence, we really believe that comparable pieces of the market generally were very famous at that period, as indicated by the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Jasmy coin is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume comprises an essential job in its cost. The coin is up by 17.67% with the most extreme pretty typical cost of the coin was around $0. The base typical value of was around $0 kind of beyond 4 months in an unpretentious manner. We anticipate future Jasmy coin cost expectations. JASMY gauge by applying truly profound pretty man-made reasoning helped specialized investigation on the past value information of Jasmy coin. We basically give a valiant effort to gather genuinely most extreme verifiable information for the JASMY coin which essentially incorporate in every practical sense various boundaries like past value, Jasmy coin market cap, Jasmy coin volume and scarcely any more, which is very huge. On the off chance that you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital forms of money and need very great profit from certainly your ventures, try to peruse our expectations in an unobtrusive manner. Jasmy coin value expectation 2023. The cost of Jasmy coin is anticipated to reach at least worth of $0 2023 amazingly. The Jasmy coin cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0, the kind of typical exchanging cost of $0 through 2023. Jasmy coin value expectation 2024. The cost of Jasmy coin is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $0 2024. The Jasmy coin cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of 1 cent with the sort of typical exchanging cost of 1 cent all through 2024, or so they thought, in an unobtrusive manner. JASMY value conjecture for 2025 as per our truly profound specialized examination on past value information of JASMY. In 2025 the cost of Jasmy coin is anticipated to reach at a kind of least degree of 1 cent. The JASMY cost can arrive at a genuinely most extreme degree of 1 cent with the by and large normal exchanging cost of 1 cent, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin value expectation 2026. The cost of 1 Jasmy coin generally is supposed to reach at least degree of 2 cents in 2026. The JASMY cost can in every way that really matters arrive at a sort of greatest degree of 2 cents with the all things considered normal cost of 2 cents all through 2026. Jasmy coin value expectation 2027 as per our profound specialized examination on past value information of JASMY. In 2027 the cost of Jasmy coin is estimated to be at around an especially least worth of 2 cents. The Jasmy coin value worth can arrive at a limit of 3 cents with the typical exchanging worth of 3 cents in USD. Jasmy coin value expectation 2028 Jasmy coin cost is conjectured to sort of arrive at a kind of the most reduced especially conceivable degree of 4 cents in 2028, which sort of is very huge. According to our discoveries, the JASMY cost could arrive at a kind of greatest conceivable degree of 5 cents with the very normal estimate cost of 4 cents, which is very huge, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Jasmy coin value expectation 2029 according to the conjecture and specialized examination. In 2029 the cost of Jasmy coin in a real sense is supposed to reach at an extremely least value worth of 6 cents. The JASMY cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of 7 cents with the typical worth of 6 cents. Jasmy coin value conjecture 2030 the cost of Jasmy coin is anticipated to reach at in every practical sense, least degree of 9 cents in 2030 in an unpretentious manner. The Jasmy coin cost can arrive at a greatest degree of 11 cents with the typical cost of 10 cents all through 2030, or so they thought. Jasmy coin value expectation 2031 Jasmy coin cost is estimate to for the most part arrive at a least conceivable degree of 14 cents in 2031 incredibly. According to our discoveries, the JASMY cost could in a real sense arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of 17 cents with the typical figure cost of 15 cents. Jasmy coin value expectation 2032 according to the conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2032 the cost of Jasmy coin is anticipated to really reach at a genuinely least degree of 21 cents. The JASMY cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of 25 cents with the typical exchanging cost of 21 cents. Which really is very critical. What will be the JASMY most elevated gauge cost for 2023? The JASMY cost is supposed to arrive at an extremely greatest degree of $0 the finish of 2023. How certainly much will Jasmy coin be worth in 5 years in an unpretentious way? In 5 years, Jasmy coin will truly have a by and large least cost of 3 cents and a greatest cost of 2 cents per JASMY, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Since Jasmy coin for the most part is exchanged on an organic market premise, its worth varies definitely in an unobtrusive way. What is the eventual fate of Jasmy coin? The fate of Jasmy coin is exceptionally subject to the very generally speaking exhibition of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into JASMY, you want to sort of ensure that you are utilizing the right technique, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. This sort of speculation isn't appropriate for those with a helter-kilter risk profile. Be that as it may, in any case a great venture for those have a high capacity to bear risk and a strong monetary situation in a significant manner. Notwithstanding its theoretical nature, JASMY likewise offers openness to a worldwide innovation and a consistently developing environment. What is the Jasmy coin cost today? Today Jasmy coin is exchanging at $0, the market cap of $234,013,086 in an unobtrusive manner. Is Jasmy coin a wise interest in a kind of significant